Welcome to English Vinglish Part 2. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's practice listening in English.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about how to become smart and intelligent by changing the way you think. Many people believe that intelligence is only about studies, marks, or talent. But the truth is, intelligence is a habit, not a gift. Smart people are not born smart. They train their mind every day. If you want to improve your thinking power, become confident, speak better English, make better decisions, and improve your personality, then this video is for you. Watch till the end because small mindset changes can completely change your life. What does smart and intelligent really mean? Being smart does not mean getting highest marks, speaking difficult English, showing off knowledge. Being intelligent means thinking clearly, understanding situations, controlling emotions, learning from mistakes, communicating confidently. A smart person listens more, thinks before speaking, learns every day, and improves himself continuously. Intelligence is not about how much you know, it is about how you think. Change your thinking pattern. Your life depends on your thinking. If you think, I can't do this, you will fail. If you think, I will try, you will grow. Ask better questions instead of saying, why am I so weak? Ask, how can I improve myself? Instead of, this is impossible, say, what is one small step I can take? Smart people always ask, why? How? What can I learn? Read and learn every day. If you want to become intelligent, you must feed your brain. Your brain is like a muscle. If you don't use it, it becomes weak. Start with 10 minutes reading daily, self development books, English articles, motivational stories. Reading improves vocabulary, thinking, confidence, communication. Even one page per day can change your life in 1 year. Improve your English. English is not about grammar only. English is about practice. Do this daily. Learn 3 new words. Make sentences with them. Speak to yourself in English. Watch English videos. Repeat what you hear. For example, word confidence. Sentence. Confidence comes from practice. Don't fear mistakes. Mistakes mean you are learning. Smart people are not afraid of looking foolish. They are afraid of staying the same. Control your emotions. A real intelligent person controls emotions. When angry, stay silent. When sad, think positive. When confused, think slowly. Never react immediately. Always respond wisely. Before speaking, ask, is it true? Is it necessary? Is it kind? This habit will make you mature and respected. Surround yourself with smart people. Your environment shapes your brain. If you stay with lazy people, you become lazy. Negative people, you become negative. Smart people, you grow. Talk to people who read books, have goals, speak positively, want to improve. If you can't find such people in real life, follow them on YouTube, podcasts, and books. Think long term, not short term. Smart people think about future growth, discipline, not only fun, comfort, short happiness. Ask yourself, will this help me in 5 years? Small daily habits equal big future success. Practice deep thinking. Don't scroll mindlessly all day. Spend time alone and think. What did I learn today? What mistake did I make? How can I improve tomorrow? This is called self reflection. It makes you mentally strong and intelligent. Build smart habits. Here are some smart daily habits. Wake up early. Read 10 minutes. Write your goals. Learn new words. Exercise. Avoid too much social media. Sleep well. These habits slowly change your brain. Confidence comes from action. Confidence is not magic. Confidence comes from practice. Knowledge, discipline, speak more, learn more, fail more, try again. That is how smart people are created. Remember one thing, you don't need to be born intelligent. You need to decide to become intelligent. Change your thinking, change your habits, change your life. Start today. Read one page, learn one word, think one positive thought. Small steps will make you powerful. If you liked this video, like, share and subscribe. Comment below. I will change my mindset because your future depends on what you think today. Thank you for watching.